Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're looking at the ROVE R2-4K dual dash cam, a powerful front and rear recording system designed for drivers who want maximum detail, reliable footage, and extremely fast wireless downloads. If you're thinking about improving car security or upgrading your recording setup, this model packs some impressive features, especially for its price. First, the big highlight, the front camera records in true 4K, 2160p, while the rear shoots in full HD, giving you sharp, detailed coverage in both directions. ROVE uses the new STARVIS 2 sensor, which dramatically improves night performance, boosting brightness and clarity in low-light driving. Whether you're commuting early mornings or driving late at night, this sensor captures details cheaper dashcams miss. The R2-4K also includes a free 128GB memory card, so you can start recording right away. Another standout is the 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, offering download speeds of up to 20 megabytes per second, much faster than typical 2.4 GHz dash cams. That means videos transfer quickly to your phone through the ROVE app, making it easier to save or share important footage. You also get built-in GPS for accurate speed and route logging, a bright 3-inch IPS display, and a G sensor to lock recordings during sudden impacts. The camera supports 24-hour parking mode, giving your vehicle round-the-clock monitoring even when the engine is off. With loop recording, heat-resistant design, and strong audio capture, it's built for real-world driving conditions. Should you review it? Definitely, ROVE dash cams perform extremely well in affiliate content, and buyers actively search for 4K dual dash cameras with fast Wi-Fi. If you want precise footage, modern sensors, instant phone transfers, and both front and rear protection, this dash cam delivers a strong mix of performance and reliability. Make sure to hit that Amazon link, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product deep dives.